Since we announced a slight change to communion for this Sunday, I have gotten many questions about it. A number of people appear to believe that this is going to be a much more difficult way to take communion. So remember, we're not changing anything about how we eat the bread. The difference is that as the tray comes by with the wine, you will take the cup, drink it immediately, put the empty cup back in the tray, and pass it on. That's the only change. But some people still seem to think that it's going to be more difficult than what we've been doing. So we're going to show you that it's actually easier, and once you get used to it in 2 or 3 weeks, you're going to wonder why we didn't do it this way all along. So, I have my lovely wife, we have our 3 youngest children here. Up until now, when an elder came by, I would have to take a cup, and then she would have to take a cup, and then we would have to pass it on to the next person, which is very, very difficult. That's completely ridiculous. And then, while we are holding this little cup full of wine, we're juggling the baby and telling the toddler to be still and waiting for Pastor Joel to tell us it's okay to drink. Now, it's very, very simple. When the elder comes by with the tray, I will take the cup as the elder holds it. I will drink it. I'll put my empty back in the tray. I'll take the tray and I'll hand it to my wife, and she will take a cup and drink it and put it back in the tray, and then she can take the tray and pass it on, and so on and so forth. Very easy. Biblically appropriate, practically much simpler. We're going to have a lot fewer spills. It's going to be much easier for our young moms and for our younger communicant members and for some of our older communicant members whose hands are shaky. We're going to do it this Sunday. I think in 2 or 3 weeks you're going to love it and you'll get used to it and it'll be fine.